First of all, I have to say that for somebody that moves quite a bit, the idea of having something this compact and small that can project such a huge movie is absolutely game-changing. When you get this projector out of the box, it comes with a stand already attached to it, which allows you to tilt the projector to the desired angle, as well as a power cable and a remote. To set it up is pretty simple. You just find a wall or a ceiling even that is free of obstruction, point the projector at it at around a 90-degree angle or as close to a 90-degree angle as possible. So moving the projector further away gives you a bigger image, and then the closer you go, it gives you a smaller image as well. And you can change these in the settings. The one thing I did notice though is if you put the projector off to the side a little bit, so not 90 degrees to the wall, part of the image can be a little bit out of focus. And this can be sometimes fixed in settings, but it's better if you can just project it straight ahead onto the wall or up to the ceiling if possible. When it comes to focus, when you start the projector, it goes through this little startup program that puts a grid on the wall, and then that will determine the way that the picture is warped or how it's kind of positioned on the wall if you do have it at an angle. And it will also determine the focus automatically.